Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. I bought a while ago this 1984 300CD. Has a lot of problems and one of them is a misaligned or something's up with the weather strip. I will give you close up of it right here. This is actually what I can see when I move the door away, so the weather strip goes forward. There is some chunk of paper or something here and it's hanging down there. I went to the other side to compare it, right? This is great. I have this chance. I can see how it's installed here. There is some kind of interruption in it and it nicely comes all the way to this area. And I can see it really slides. There is some kind of channel and it slides there and back. This is the back side of it. I hope you can see it, right? So this will be the grabbing area, one side of the channel, and here is another one. So I believe if I clean it nicely and maybe lube it a little bit, that should be able to move. This is for real. This was somebody's fix. Napkin maybe? Very interesting, right? I hope I will not find something brown inside. That will be not good, huh? Now I seriously doubt that I can move such a huge piece, right? Either way, even when I push on it hard, right? Maybe it will move, but I don't think it does, right? So I think the other way will be looking on the design. The back part seems to have a bigger groove right here. This is inside, but the outside part, I think that groove is smaller. So I think the correct way to deal with it will be try to peel it off on this side. And I will use something like that, carefully try to peel off that outer edge, right, towards to bottom, and try to grab this thing. And not on the paint, it's a really nice paint, so I don't want to scratch that, but look, it actually really lets me to remove that entire thing. This is fantastic. Again, I hope you can see the detail. This is the bigger groove on the left and that's the small one on the right. I think also this car was owned by the James Bond, and that was one of those secret microphones and so on which were add-on, right? There's a bunch of weird wires inside and so on. So I think this is the good times, and it's just hanging here like that to get rid of it. Let's see if it is possible really quickly without damaging anything, right? Oh yeah. Hello? Anybody there? The Secret Service, it's right here. Yeah, let's go and get them. And it continues down here behind that panel, so I will deal with that later. Considering the age of the vehicle, alright, this is in incredibly great shape. There are no cracks. It's basically looking absolutely perfect. I love it. And I moved that camera so you can see the detail of the whole thing, right? This is the end of the old weather strip. So I will try to pay attention what needs to happen. I will nicely match them. Also, I don't want to forget about the headliner, right? These are all areas and parts I have to pay attention to. So it's all nicely matching. But surprisingly, it's extremely easy. So here is one of the trim tools. I don't need a sharp edge, which I needed to pull it out before. So now this will be more gentle on that material, right? And I can nicely start putting it behind that silver trim. You can see here it's already in, and I will continue here. Here you can see the whole thing nicely installed behind that silver trim, right? So I will speed up a little bit, and this is the edge again. You can see the detail of it. Okay, let's continue. Something tells me that I should not put that back, that it doesn't belong there. So let's continue with this original, the other part of this trim. So I was nicely able to install it right here. There was actually a very little pin in that weather strip, which fits in the body, right, of the vehicle. So that perfectly shows me that this is the correct place to have it. Now, what happened here? I have that gap again, and it looks like maybe I was supposed to keep that napkin. Where is it? But there is one gap and not two. This gap, this part was perfectly installed, and the weather strip is matching. Let's see how the window, the door with the window, will match the whole thing. And I have a perfect match. The window nicely went inside of that weather strip, so this is fantastic. And the only problem is that the remaining gap, we'll say it's an inch and something. And as we all know, this is a rubber. It may harden through the years or something, but I know I can stretch it. So I can either start installing this side and then this side. That is probably the easiest, or try to pull it. Let's see what I can do. So I have popped this end, right? We'll get it out and stretch the whole thing a little bit. And I was able to improve it. I have it nicely installed here. Unfortunately, this rubber doesn't stretch enough, so I'm ending up here still, this time with like ½ inch space. And that's all I can do at this moment. The bottom is correctly installed, so this is good. And apparently I will be not using the napkin, I don't like that, but I will be on lookout for weather strip. And that's all from me today, my friend. Make absolutely sure you are subscribed, because I will have way more other videos about this Mercedes-Benz coming your very soon. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.